In this video, we are going to go over TFM ELD iOS application for your phones or tablets. The application can be downloaded from the App Store. Search for the application by typing TFM ELD in the search bar, then press Get and open it. After you finish downloading, make sure that your Bluetooth is on and your ELD device is connected to the diagnostic port of your vehicle. Once you are done, open the application, fill in your credentials and press Confirm. The application will ask you to allow the location access. It should always be allowed, then follow the instructions given by the application. Next, it is going to ask you to confirm a vehicle. Choose your vehicle and proceed to the application. When you are first logged into the application, it will ask you to certify the records up to 2 weeks prior. Mark all and press Certify, put your signature, and submit. If you have successfully submitted the previous steps and have the device plugged in and turned your engine on, your device should connect to the application automatically. On the main screen of the application, you will see your duty statuses, your timers, your grid, and previously done duty statuses of the day. To change a duty status, you simply press on the status name, type in any remarks if needed, press Save for the remark and OK to save the changes. The driving status will appear automatically as soon as you start driving and reach 5 miles per hour. While driving, your application will get locked and you will see the status in motion. While in motion, you cannot change the duty status. If you stop the vehicle, the status will change to idle. During idle, you can change your duty status. Press on the driving button at the bottom of the screen and choose the status you wish to switch to. Now, if you made a mistake, you can fix it by scrolling down the main page, find the duty status that you made a mistake on, and press the pencil icon to edit and resolve the issue. Here you can change the duty status, time, location, and remark of the edited status. Press OK to save the changes. If you need to insert the duty status or change the multiple statuses at the same time, you can insert the duty status by clicking the plus icon on the right corner of the screen. Next, below the grid you can see your last 14 days. By selecting the day, you can review the grids and duty statuses done on that day, certify the records and correct any mistakes that needed. To review or edit your information, you press on the Profile section on the main page of the app. Here you can add the trailers, shipping documents, co-drivers, and start and end points of your trip. To add shipping documents or trailers, press on the plus icon located on the right side of the screen. Type in the information and press OK. Once you are done, press the Save button at the bottom of the screen to save the changes. If you wish to register a driver's vehicle inspection report, DVIR, press on the DVIR button next to the Profile section and submit an inspection report. By pressing on the plus icon on the right bottom corner of the screen, you may add descriptions if the damage was found, or select the appropriate option if there is no damage. Once you are done, you need to sign your DVIR. Additionally, you can add the daily signature by going to the sign page and submitting your signature. Apart from the main 3 duty statuses, you may use personal conveyance, yard move and adverse driving conditions. You need to enable these additions from the back office. To start the personal conveyance or yard move, choose the duty status from the main screen. Write the remark of what you are going to use the personal conveyance for, and press OK. While driving, the blue line will appear in the middle of the main screen for dismissing the duty status. If you wish to finish the status, press the white cross icon on the appeared blue line. Moreover, if you have encountered heavy snow, ice, sleet, fog, or any other adverse weather conditions or unusual road or traffic conditions, you may use the Adverse Driving Condition option. In order to use it, you need to enable this addition from the back office. To start the ADC, while you are in the active shift, press the Adverse Driving button. Follow the instructions given by the application to start the ADC. Another feature TFM ELD offers is a night and day mode, which can be changed by pressing the moon icon on the top right corner of the main screen. To start the roadside inspection, press the 3 lines icon on the top left side, and on the appeared menu, go to the Inspection module. Here you can choose one of the available options, depending on the officer's request. Keep in mind that TFM ELD supports on-screen inspection as first option. email version as second option, and capability of electronically sending output files to the DOT officer as a third option. When you finish your shift, switch your duty status to off duty or sleeper and make a log out from the application. In order to log out, open the menu bar and press the logout button at the bottom of the menu. Keep in mind that if you have uncertified records when you log out and log in, the application will ask you to certify them. Thank you for watching TFM ELD iOS application tutorial, and we hope you enjoy using our services. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us by calling 877-862-0020 or by email support@tfmeld.com.